Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of Ruby, especially on those little things called escape characters. What are escape characters? Imagine you're writing a string in Ruby and you want to include something special, like a new line, a tab, or even a quote character itself. So this is where escape characters come in. They are like secret codes that tell Ruby treat this character differently. In Ruby, escape characters start with a backslash. Think of it as a head up to Ruby that something unusual is coming. This is how they look. This is how they look. They have a backslash followed by a letter. The backslash N, move your text to the next line. The backslash T, indent your text like when you press the tab key on your keyboard. The double quote with the backslash is useful if you want to include a double quote inside a double quote string. Same as the single quotes with a backslash. It's useful if you want to include a single quote into a single quote string. And finally, the double backslash is useful if you want to show one backslash into your string. Let me show you some examples. This first one has a text inside the string, and I include the backslash N. As we can see, the result of this is the first line, and then in the second line the rest of the text. String start with a backslash T, and then the text I want to show. It's indent the text, same like when you press the tab key on your keyboard, and then it shows the text. This is another example when you want to include a double quote inside a double quote string. So in this case, it doesn't know where the string ends, because it has another 3 double quotes on the same string. So to solve that, we should add this backslash. This tells Ruby to don't interpret the double quote at the end of the string, but to show it on the screen. We can see the result on the terminal, and this is how it looks. Another similar example is with single quote. This result in a string that shows the single quote. And finally, the double backslash. This allows you to show on the terminal a backslash and tells Ruby to don't understand it as a special character. Let's see the result. See, you can see that the text on the terminal is a backslash, and it shows one backslash. So here are all the examples. This is for escape characters. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in comment below.